Make your life a masterpiece.
Hi, this is Taka International CPA. Today, I would like to explain about the evaluation for unlisted stock. Inheritance is a big issue for unlisted stock. So, as you know, if we talk about the listed tax, it's quite easy to evaluate the stock price because there is a value in the market. If we talk about the unlisted stock, of course, there is no stock market. So as for unlisted stocks, there will be big difference between family shareholders and minor shareholders, because minor shareholders don't have the ownerships for the company, so they cannot manage the company and they cannot the control of the company. However, stock owner is a kind of family shareholders. They can own the controllership for the company, so there would be totally different from the value through the minority shareholders. In the case of minority shareholders in inheritance, they can evaluate their tax through dividend return evaluation. It's relatively very small prices. However, in the case of family shareholders, they need to consider the controllership of the stocks. If we talk about the family stocks, family shareholders, there are two ways of evaluating those stocks. The first is the net asset evaluation. The second is similar industry price evaluation. Authorities requested taxpayer to categorize five categories based on the scale of the company. First, large company, medium large, medium small company. So there are five categories based on the scale of the company. And there are some differences between the scale of the company for using two evaluations. Family shareholders originally understand what kind of method they will use to evaluate those stocks. In inheritance, sons or daughters would like to save or would like to mitigate the amount of the evaluation for the unlisted stocks because they can receive more assets in its inheritance. Of course, minority shareholders, the stock prices for the unlisted tax should be smaller than the family shareholders because they cannot control the company, so they cannot manage the company. So in that case, they are allowed to evaluate those stocks very small and relatively small. Thank you so much. So if you have any question for the family company's stocks, please let me know. And it's really important for entrepreneurs and to hand over its asset to the next generation. So please ask me freely if you have any question. Thank you so much.